Hi everyone. First off, I want to say thank you for choosing Performance Tours for your next river adventure. We want to review a few different things that we have put in place this summer that we want you to be aware of. The first thing, guys, is when you arrive at our facility, we are asking that you show up ready to go in the gear that you're going to be wearing to go rafting that day. We also ask that you show up with a face mask or a sun buff. We feel this is the most appropriate face mask attire for outdoor recreation, and we do require that everyone is wearing one of these while on our property and while on our vehicles. When you pull into our property, guys, you'll be greeted by one of our staff members that will have a clipboard with your name on it, and they will let you know who your trip leader is. At that point, you will go ahead and park, and your trip leader will find you and review with you what you need to do to prepare for your trip. What that's going to look like is recommending different gear depending on the weather for the day, and they'll get you geared up in a life jacket, a helmet, and a paddle. And if you decide you need any of our optional gear like a wetsuit, splash jacket, or the river shoes, they will go ahead and get you outfitted in that. Once you are outfitted and have put everything into your vehicle, the trip leader will have a bucket for you to put the keys into, and we will keep them safe for you while you're on the river. At that point, guys, we're going to load you up onto the vehicle that's going to take you down to the put-in area, and on the vehicles we will maintain social distancing as well. We are going to have a reduced capacity on all of our vehicles this year. Once we get down to the put-in, the trip leader will go over the river orientation and the safety talk like they always do, and then basically you're going to get onto a raft with just your group. We feel that the trip is going to look like it always does. You're out in a beautiful environment, natural ventilation, just enjoying the scenery and the excitement of the river. All of this information can be found on our website, and it will be in the confirmation that we send out to you. But if you have any additional questions, as always, feel free to pick up the phone and talk to one of our reservation specialists about any questions or concerns that you might have. Thanks again. Looking forward to seeing you on the river.